Simpro is generally easier to onboard than ServiceTitan because its implementation is typically less complex and better suited to businesses that want to get their team working without a lengthy setup process. By the end of this video, you'll know why onboarding feels different between these platforms, which businesses benefit from each one, and which option is likely to get your team productive faster. The short answer is Simpro. Both are powerful field service management platforms, but they were built with different priorities. ServiceTitan includes a wide range of features for scheduling, dispatching, estimating, invoicing, reporting, customer communication, and business management. That depth is valuable, but it also means there are more settings to configure, more workflows to learn, and more staff training before everyone is comfortable using the system. Simpro also offers comprehensive field service management tools, but many users describe the initial setup as more straightforward. The interface is generally easier for new employees to understand, and businesses often spend less time learning everyday tasks like creating jobs, scheduling technicians, and generating invoices. That doesn't mean onboarding is automatic. Both platforms require planning before you switch. You'll need to import customer records, organize price books, configure user permissions, and test your workflows before going live. Skipping those steps creates problems no matter which software you choose. Company size also makes a difference. A smaller contractor with a handful of office staff and technicians often reaches full productivity faster with Simpro because there are fewer advanced systems to configure. Larger service companies with more complicated operations may accept a longer onboarding period because ServiceTitan offers tools designed for complex workflows. Training is another consideration. Both companies provide onboarding resources, documentation, and customer support, but ServiceTitan's broader feature set usually means more training sessions before employees become fully comfortable with the platform. If you're comparing these systems, don't focus only on how long onboarding takes. Think about what happens after onboarding. A platform that takes longer to implement may still be the better long-term fit if your business needs advanced reporting, automation, or operational controls. So which platform has simpler onboarding? For most businesses, Simpro is the easier system to learn and implement. ServiceTitan requires a larger investment of time during setup, but that complexity comes with a broader set of business management features. The key points are simple. Simpro is generally easier to onboard. ServiceTitan offers more advanced functionality at the cost of a steeper learning curve, and choosing the right platform depends on whether you value faster implementation or deeper operational tools. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward software comparisons.